Give me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign, cause I don't wanna waste my time. Sometimes I don't wanna wake up, I feel tired in my bed, wanna lay up. Watch TV instead, about fake love. Let the drama unfold with my brain numb. Yeah, I'm still digesting everything that's going on, second guessing if this world is a place worth saving. I feel lost in this world as of lately. Give me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign, cause I don't wanna waste my time. I wish I knew if all of my dreams would come true. I wanna be free, I gotta find a way to believe. All I know is that if I give up then it's over. But if I keep going, every day's a bit closer. Highs and the lows, feels like a roller coaster. It's never over. I gotta find a way to get inspired in this life. Stop looking out and start looking inside. Find what I love and take a little pride. Anything is better than complaining about life. I don't need help, I can do it by myself. No pain, no gain, I will go through hell. Do what it takes, I will break out of my shell. I'm never coming back, once I'm gone I'm out. Yeah, got me like ooh, watch me on the screen, you gon' see me making moves. You gon' see me scheme like I got something to prove. Working like a fiend, yeah, I do just what I do. Got a purpose, got a view, turn my vision into truth. My dreams are becoming lucid. The more I work improving, the more I fight, keep moving. I am not losing, pride keeps me refueling. I will be better real soon, yeah. Real soon, yeah. Give me a sign.
Kipot Falls na lang daw. Oh, mas malapit. Doon lang sa dulo ng semento. Doon lang sa makaingalan lang.
Buko sa ta.
Kap.
Mabuti pa yung nakarantos. Hindi ako
Hindi Kap, kasi nagmadali ka eh. Dapat di mo siya, ano eh, dapat kung ano lang yung speed mo, yun lang. Kasi pag sumabay ka talaga, mapapagod ka eh. Pero kaya mo yun.
Diyan. Kukuha ko yung bike niya. Sige na.
Sunod na tatong layo.
Oo.
Marag mapirsa ba? Buko ba ganito ka gusto yung bilbay?
Buko. Sige po.
Ha?
Buko po, isa pa pong buko.
Sino?
Si Randy, tiga sa amin.
Ang bilbay.
Buko, Luel.
Ilang kilo na to?
Buko, isang buko. 11 po yun, 11. Wag taong to. The bike to.
Ah, hindi pa kasi ito carbon eh.
Hindi ba?
Yeah.
Pero pareho lang ng carbon eh.
Ah, magaan din.
Insi yan, bay. Magaan yan.
Ito, wheel seat ba eh. Buti nakahanap pa ng gulong nito. Shopee? Ito hinahanap ni Ariana dati, nagpo-post si Ariana.
Sir. Siya yan, Luel.
Buko.
Garayin mo.
Dalawa kayo
Magkano
dito?
po ito? Hindi. Kailan.
Dalawa kayo dito. Sa pang buko kuya, sa pa.
Okay, iniwan mo tayo. Hindi, nakalap ko mataba oh.
Si RK kayo dyan, Bill, dami niyan.
Oo nga eh. Harbor nga ako dun. Harbor, wala ka pang regalo sa akin.
Ah, nilak mo?
Baliktad po yan. Pindot po. Yan.
Ito? Ah,
Nakalak ka, umahon?
Hindi kasi dyan.
Saan ako?
doon bagay sa'yo to.
Salamat kuya.
Kaya recap yan mo.
No, kaya na yan. Konti na lang ahon dyan eh. Oo, malilinis pa yan eh. Opo, grabe.
Nakaka rito ulan.
Oo, minsan lang. Pag hindi, madalas umulan dito, kahit walang ano, kahit walang bagyo.
Push past all the pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you wanna move. Get lost in the work that you gotta do to be someone better. You can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like,
Meron pa pala isa, Kap, last na. Meron pa pala, hindi ko nakabisado.
push past all the pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you wanna move. Get lost in the work that you gotta do to be someone better. You can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like, give me time, I'll be just fine. You thought I was worth leaving behind? You're out of your mind. I'll come back better than ever, no matter the weather. Greater than I've ever been, that's my new endeavor. Woo. I work hard so the sweat coming off my chin. On par with the greatest that have ever done it. I'm new, coming back better than before. But don't look at me, cause you closed the door. So watch out and fear me now. I can get real mean if you sell me out. I can get real green.
Tapos yung sinasabi mo ano dito?
Patat guys. Para makuha sila. Para namatay lang ka.
Oh, sige, sige. Wala.
Hindi po tuman eh. Layo no? Oo. Kap, pahinga tayo dyan.
Yan, yung lupang yan. Grabe oh. Grabe.
Tunga lang oh. Hala ba?
Muna po yung ala.
Ah, ganda.
Video na naman.
Anong GoPro nito niyo ba?
1, 2, 3. Yan, diri. Yakap, yakap. Tanaw nga daw kap. Kana! Kana, oh. Kana. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Grabe.
Nakahigit. Dagi. Hindi pala ako. Ay, pag...
Mahirap yan.
Lo. Wala.
Wala, basic. Kailangan ka pa mag-
Grabe.
Ako, tingnan mo. Ay, mas matindi dito. Mas matindi dito. Pamilya ba? Kamu tulog.
Tsaka may kabayo dito ka, pero tinawag kabayo.
Delikado yata dito to.
Hindi naman. Maraming camping doon, no?
Dito banda.
Ayun na, may camping site doon, no? Ayun.
360 yun.
Grabe tarik doon. Kaya di naman tayo abot doon eh. Yung pupuntahan natin malinis din doon, Kap. Hindi katulad kasi yung Puray. Nakawawa, madumi-dumi na eh. Saan ba banda dito yung Kipot Falls? Ah, sa baryo po. Salamat. Diyan, bay, may ginagawang daan dyan. Labas daw ano. Ha? Bay. Ha? Hindi, parang di alam ni ate.
Alam ko kasi nito nung dating bata, dito ko kasi alala ko sa taas.
Yan, nakamotor.
Tulog po yung baba nun.
Ah, yan.
Sa may tindahan. Yung kipot po doon tindahan mo sa baba. Sa may tindahan doon.
Ah, sabi ko na nga. Sige po, salamat po. Dito daw, Kap. Tapos na yung paghihirap natin.
Baba, saan daan nito?
Hindi ko kayo karating yan.
Di pa po eh.
Ay, magkasama kayo.
Kain na lang, gusto nyo?
Ha?
Punta. Kain na lang. Pumunta doon. Pero sa ano, video na panood ko, saglit lang. Lakad lang sila konti.
Andyan may daan.
Yan, may ginagawa pa si ate. Bawal siya, bawal.
Mga alas 7 te, gising ka mo dito eh.
Sige na.
Gabi. Grabe alas 7.
Alas sige kayo.
May mga
Ito.
Yun mo, pang matagalan yan.
Dito sa kabila.
Ito.
saan? Hindi, ang sapatos namin iwan namin dito te.
Ah, dyan na lang. Yung ano dyan, doon mo sa nalamisa.
Ah, dito?
Ganito na lang tayo. Wala bang ganito malaki? Maliit ko eh.
Te, saan ang bike? Idan natin yung karating boy. Idan natin yung haba natin sa ayos. Saan? Ventilat?
Push past all the pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you wanna move. Get lost in the work that you gotta do to be someone better. You can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like, give me time, I'll be just fine. You thought I was worth leaving behind? Get out of your mind, I'll come back better than ever, no matter the weather. Greater than I've ever been, that's my new endeavor. Woo. I work hard so the sweat coming off my chin. On par with the greatest that I've ever done it. I'm new, coming back better than before. But don't look at me, cause you close the door. So watch out and fear me now. I can get real mean if you sell me out. I can get real green, got me hulking now. I don't forget those things, don't hear me loud. I focus on myself, I focus on my health. The greatest revenge is building up yourself. Your life and your drive, building up your wealth. Becoming something better than you've ever felt. If you got dreams that you're chasing, the fear in your life, stand up and face it. Ain't nobody coming to help, you're all alone in this world, in this life, embrace it. I know it might seem hard, it might seem tough, it may sound rough, but this state of mind will get you through a lot of stuff and keep you accountable to stay strong when it's tough. No help, I do it by myself, couldn't even tell it, I've been through well. But on the other side came a soldier, much bolder, standing broad shoulders. Step aside and give me the controller, I came here to win, I don't lose, high roller. I wanna be the best in the game, yeah I came to play and invest, stay colder. No matter how I do feel, I still gotta prove that I'm better. I never say never, I work all alone, I don't work together. I got big moves and they coming soon. I'ma be a tycoon in the boardroom. Everything is fine-tuned, got no excuse. Coming back like new anytime I move. Call it resurrection, I'm obsessing. Got a new obsession, so obsessive. Strive for perfection, never second. I just wanna be a legend, don't forget it. I like to be pushed to my limits, I work till I finished. I hurt till I'm winning, till the thirst starts again. It takes me back to beginning, a cycle of me spinning. That's why I'm alive and I fight every minute to be worthy. I can't quench this thirsty, I'm motivated but I never get worried. I have faith I can win any journey. I just have to put my head down and keep working. I love conquest, I love progress. I feel so blessed that I get to reinvest all my time into doing what I love. It took a long time, but now my work is my drug. Each day I get to create something new that I used to motivate. Inspire the next to be better than the best. To fight for success and to get some respect. It's earned, not given. I'll teach if you listen, I'll give if you're driven. You'll win in a minute. Each day keep chipping at the goal and you'll get it. Don't fold, you'll regret it. Just work till you get it on. Don't stop till I'm at the top. I won't give up till my heart finally stops. I'm not lost, my goal is my rock, and each day is another chance, another shot. So I'll work hard and I'll learn scars and I'll give hard, never letting down my guard. Been a long arc to get to this mark, but I got more things I want, so I'm gonna start. This is war against my mind. You think it lacks the thoughts holding me back from mine, and I need more. This is war. My mind is so fixated on you go. I'm finally in control.
Bukal oh, bukal.
Kalagitnaan, parang yan. Hindi ko na binabalak yun niya. Yan lang ba yun? Di ako ba yun? Bayo, limpyo yan oh. Tubig namin oh. Tubig namin. Baka may signal dito.
Galing no? Linis eh.
Testing di, testing. Na.
Pero siguro nung araw ganyan talaga no?
Pero sa ano kaya ito ba? Sa Marikina, magkalito na ito.
Di kahit doon sa ano Bulacan, yung mabato doon, madumi na rin no?
Wala na.
Ayun, may signal po.
Grabe naman yung signal mo ba yun?
Meron pa palang malinis na ano, falls sa Montalban.
Pero dati yun. Hindi. Tapos magpunta sila dito, ginagawa nila yan. Hindi. Malalim ba yan? Malalim? Hindi masyadong malalim yung pagkama yan. Kasi lang, parang...
Sanay na, alam nila yung ano, tatalunan. Grabe oh.
Marami namang tubig doon. Marami naman binabayaran yung tubig yan sa amin. Magdamag lang yung bukas yung mga hose dyan.
Opo. Ah, ang ganda.
Kaya ka? Walang hawakan. Kung may ganun doon. Iyak ka ba to? Iyak. Para, kaya yan. Kaya ka? Ano try din? Kung nalaplap ko din eh. Kampak ka na din. Nalagyan ka. Stop. Loman.
Game. Woo!
Kalamig.
Alam mo ah, ang lamig.
Grabe kalamig.
Wala po.
Yung pura yun. Wala na signal. Uy. Dito pa kaya.
Galing ah. Tangina mo, tapang.
Kaya mo doon?
Hindi.
Anok ka?
Tangina, lupit.
Kaya pag itapunin mo, no? Ganun mo, bakit? Taas ko.
Gogi. Wag na dyan. Tanga, dyan ka tatalon.
Ayun, mga ticket yan.
Oh.
Mura na yan, oh.
Galing ni Bay ah. Dito ka na Kap oh. Ingat Kap. Malamang may daan doon. Diyan lang Kap, diyan.
Ito ka, nalula na ako eh.
Bernard, galing. Ready pang hiking yun ah. Ayos.
Awit tayo doon. Ang ganda.
Pwede. Pwede yan. Wala na eh. Totoo nga yung kay Tarzan Cup, no? Yung mga ginagamit niya matibay, no? Bye! Ito, pwede to? Ito, bye, oh! Bye! Talon! Talon na, Kap! Talon! Talon na, Kap! Talon na!
GoPro pala eh.
Nabidyo mo kanina ba?
Oo, nabigyan.
Ang kulit no. Patingin nga, Tons.
Dahil lang ako.
Daming viewers nito.
Tanggalin kang buti nag-sample ni ba, di ba? Alam ko na buka. Di kaya nga ibuka mo yung kamot. Hindi, ibuka mo lang to.
Hindi, grabe yung core niya, yung ganito niya. May iba din lakas.
Sige, buka mo.